oh dear, oh dear. My mother was just here and she just left, and I totally made a total page without filming. Oh, okay. So we just did this, and then I used a simple piece of paper for the back of the next page, and then on this I made just a simple pocket. And to reduce the thickness of the pages, I used first I only use design paper for making this pocket. So normally I will make one first with cardstock and then put my design paper on, but for this occasion I made my pocket with design paper. So, and then I made this easy, simple going tag, and I used a punch, but my mother put it away. But I show you when it's all finished. But yeah, so I totally forgot to film this, but yeah, you all know how to make a pocket. So I made the same cards in it, but only made these two the same and these two the same. So okay, now we just have to make the last tiny one. Okay, so I hope you did not be angry at me, because I totally lost time when my mother was here. So I really like it already. So let's decide. Let's put first some easygoing paper for the back of this, and then I will think of something on this, because this can be a little thicker. So let's decide what we are going to make on that in a minute. Oh my god. Let me see how I can explain this. The meaning was that I do the last page all for the same. So I went going make two pages already done, and then see for these two albums the same thing, but then going to film it. But when I am closing this, I was testing it, I think the first two pages are that thick that this is not, I really think that they are going to bump to each other. So I am going to make a smaller pocket on this one, a flatter one, because this is really an extendable pocket and I like it, but it's really thick, and the thickness is because of this paper. So I decide, I think, or I will change it in thinner paper. I think that's a better way. So, but anyway, I will use the expandable pocket, but I will make one together with you, and then I use thinner paper. So let's see, let's use this one. Let's see, let's find me some thinner. This is thinner, okay, and let's see how thick, how big. It's 2 inches or 5 centimeters. So I will cut my paper at 2 inches or 5 centimeters. Then I have the same size. Here we go. And now the next thing I did was make 5 fold lines at a 1/2 inch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, gonna fold them as an accordion. There we go. Let's see if this is useful. If this is way thinner, then I suggest, yeah, this is way thinner, so I can use, yeah, I will change that. This is way much better. Then you grab your page and lay it on here and make a mark, so you can make your other 5 score lines. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then cut this shorter. And I really think this paper is way better. I love the cardstock, but for this pocket it's really too thick. So this is better. Okay. That changed a lot. Yeah. Oh my god, look at this. Yeah, this is better. So, okay, we are going to use this one. And also, before we are going to glue it down, you want to cut these in an angle, and then you have the thickness also not very much. Okay, that's like this. So now we have this, and then your bottom will be easier stick together. Yeah, okay. So what I will do is put some tape on the bottom. And perhaps it's nice to glue these two together. Like this, fold it, fold it, fold it, the other way. Yep. Then use again some tape. And it's really small, but we can do it. We can do it. Yeah, this is way better. And then we just put this on your page. Not too far to the bottom, just then this will, yeah, oh, I forgot to stick these two down. I forgot. Yeah, these are way thinner. Okay. Then the bottom is way easier to put down. Okay. I'm totally off frame. Okay. Now, let's put this back in. Oh my god. Yep. Okay. Yeah. So, what? Because now this is really getting too fat. Yeah, we are going to make this, we're going to use this paper and then on all 4 pages. So, let's do it one more time together with you. I cut my paper in how much did I say? 5, yes, 5. So I cut it in 5. Grab my scoreboard, and we are out of frame, so put this a little away, yeah, like this. Yes, I'm here. Make 5 fold lines at a 1/2 inch. Yep, that's that. Then we did the measurement on the page. Very handy, thick nails. Okay, lay it on here, make a mark, and then make 5 fold lines again. On this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and cut the other part away. Okay. Now your expandable is ready to go. Now I still like this a little shorter. Like this. Now we want to glue these two together. Yeah, and the other ones too. Perhaps we are going to put some sticks, some clips on, so it stays together. We can do that, so that we can let it dry. But this glue really dry very fast, so okay. And then we can put some tape on here and here. There you go. Yeah, okay. Think a little more glue, then it will be strong enough. And then on this side, you're going to glue it. Yeah, now the bottom is really going to fitting way easier than with the thick paper. Okay, that's it. Then we can just make the back side and the front, and then make 3 cards in it, like these. For example, just use my crocodile, and I used from big to small. Yeah. And I will remove these. These are way too thick, and I will use these ones. These are way thinner and way easier to use. So yeah, this is better. Yeah, Okay. But the system how it is be making is quite the same. Okay, let's do that and finish it all up. Okay, and then we have to decorate the inside and the outside and then make the lid. Okay, so in a minute. Alrighty, so I finished already my outside of the box and it will look like this. I want to show you before I flip it over. And yeah, now the last part is making the lid. And I really hope that I can make one that fits. Because this is really chunky. Oh my gosh, why I always have that. But we will see how it turns out. So let's see about the measurements. Okay, so normally you will use the same size as the back, the bottom. But I think I will use a tiny bit larger. Otherwise it won't fit. So let's see what size we want to make. So get back in a minute. Okay, let's see. Let's grab a piece of cardstock and our scoreboard and let's see. I did make a little test with this one, but I think I want to make a bigger size like this. Let me see, yeah, we do. I think it will be nicer to fit, and this size will need a little larger because this was my first tryout for the 10 by 10, but that of course is too small. So I want to try out the 10.5 by 10.5 in centimeters, but I will give you the measurements in a minute for the inches. So, okay, let's start. Now, I want to make the lid. No, not the lid. Oh gosh. Oh, what a crazy word is that. I want it larger. So I score at 1.5 and again at 1.5. And that's by 3. Don't know if I then have enough. So let's see. Then no, I think I will. So okay, so the second one, so 1.5 and 1.5. So that makes 3. Yeah, let's do that again on this side. 1.5. 1.5. Okay, now I like this to be 10.5 centimeters. So what I will do is, oh, this is really shiny, but I think I will measure on this side. So I will lay my, oh my gosh, my table is really too small, but I will manage. I will put my ruler on the right side of the fold line, so I don't get it any smaller than I already want it. So I leave a little mark, very tiny one, at 10.5. So what will be the next score line? Let's see. I wish I could tell the measurements on my scoreboard, but it's really get between the 7/1/8 and the 7/1/4, 2/8. So, okay, that's not an option to give you a perfect measurement, but I think that it will be okay if I score at 7/1/4. then I have it a little larger than the 10.5, so I will do that. So what we did first was 1.5 and 1.5, and then again 1.5 and 1.5. Yeah, now we want the square, so I scored at 7/1/4. Yeah, and then we need again the 1.5 and 1.5. But now I have to count, because I am really terrible in my count in inches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Of course, it's 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah. So my next score line is, let me tell you, it's 8/3/4 of an 8. No, 8/3/4 of an inch. Yeah. So I hope you still can understand me. So yeah, how we did it, 7/1/4 and 8/3/4. Yeah. Okay, now we can, if we want, because that's easier, just put the outside of this and cut it at 1.5 inch. So this side we don't need, but we still, hope you can see it, what we now have. We have one score line at 1.5, two score line at 3, and then on the other side also 1.5, 1.5 and 1.5, 1.5. Yeah, now we need this side. So again we lay it on this side and we score at 7/1/4, same as before. And the 8, what was it? The 8/3/4? Yeah, the 8/3/4. Yeah, okay. And now again we can cut this one also at 1.5. Okay, so I hope you remember what the score lines were. Yeah, you do remember. Let me write it down on this little piece. So I scored at 1.5 plus 3, and then plus 7/1/4 plus 8/3/4. Yeah, these are the measurements in inches, and that all the way around. So yeah, you can do it. You can. If I can, you can. Okay, but the meaning of this is that we have this square, and for me it must be 10.5. Yes, it is. And for you inches guys, it must be 4, 1, 2, 3/16. Then your square is good to go. 1, yeah, 1 3/16. Yeah. Okay, let's try it out. Now, the first thing we want to do is to do some cutting before we are going to fold it. And let's grab my big scissor, that's easier. Let's see. Now, for the easiest thing to do is just cut the second line first. And for my convenience, I will go all the way around that first. Yeah, okay. Now this piece we want to keep. Yeah, and this piece we can cut out. We don't need. There we go. So this piece we need. Okay, just turn it like the incision. How you cut this? The cut is on that side, and I like to cut on the inside of the fold line, so my piece is not bigger than where it goes in it. Okay, the last one. And it's really hard to see on the white, but hope you see it better than I did. Perhaps I need glasses. I hate glasses. But okay, so this is it. This is supposed to be your lid. So now are we going to fold it? Let's fold it all the way around. And this piece. And this piece. Oh, I forgot to turn my sound off. There we go. Otherwise it will bling, bling, bling all the way. So fold it, fold it, and this is going to be that way. And we fold it, and this piece comes over there, and the last piece. Alrighty. So now the meaning is that this folds in, but I like to cut just a little tiny piece off. Just a little. Just 1-2 millimeter, that's enough. Really, you don't see. It will fold in and you don't see, but it folds better, believe me. It does. Okay, so this one we don't need. And yeah, let's see how it turns out. This is going to be like here. Oh, I cut the wrong side, but we can manage. Now you fold the little pieces in the other piece. So I hope I understand myself, but this is going to be like this. And if you feel anything getting in your way, then you have to, I don't glue it down yet, this is just to see if it matches, because we want everything to fit, of course. And I think I will cut these a little smaller. These ones. These I believe I didn't cut very well on the inside of the fold line. So just a little piece. I think that will be better. do perfect at the first time, but unfortunately, the guys who know me, it goes never perfect. And if it does, we just get lucky. Okay. Last one. Yeah, this was definitely not on the inside of the fold line. Okay. Now, let's try again. Okay, let's give it another try. So this goes in, and then this goes over. Oh my, this goes very well. Yeah. Look at this. Yeah, this went perfect. So now I can do it in. But I want to first check. I want to check. I want to check. Check, please. I want to check with my box. So, let's see how we do this. Going to the right. Okay. Yeah, I'm still perfect with my pictures. Okay, like it's really chunky. It is so chunky. I'm glad I did the size a little bigger. This one, the black one, was too small. Yeah, this puts it all together very nice. Yeah, okay. Though, ta-da! Yeah. Oh my gosh. I'm happy. Yeah. So now I take this out again. But now I am going glue it. Yeah. Okay, so I think I will use wet glue instead of tape. Tape, I think. No, I want to use wet glue. Because you know me, I want to wiggle a little, and tape will make it directly go fast, so that I won't like. Okay, oh, this one I will attach too. So on here, now at this one I like tape. Oh my gosh, it's really, yeah, it's my first lid, so I may be a little confusing, but okay. Yep. Here I like the tape, and on here I have the wet glue. Yep. So just fold it in, and this goes in. Yeah, that went well. Now use a little wet glue. Okay, fold it in on the corners. Keep it steady. Fold it over and push it. Okay, that's easy. And now the last two. This I will do now before I can't get in. Okay, so keep the corner steady, fold it over and go. And the last one. There you go. And now we can go inside and burnish every single corner. Okay. So this was not a 1 minute thing to do, but now you have a pretty sturdy lid. Okay, like it. So now we have to go to decoration. Yeah, love that part in a minute. Alrighty, and then I finished up my lids. And I decorated with some stickers, be mine. And yeah, oh, on the inside I also made a little sticker on it. So yeah, it's done. So let's grab the box and see how it turns out all in place. Now I really get to manage how, I think really these three, and then with this in my hand. Oh my gosh, look at this, this is perfect. This is on this side, and here's this sticker, and on this side, and this, and on the bottom I used the wet one too. Okay, like it. So, okay, it's finished. It's really puffy, chunky. So let me film the total. Yay! Happy to join me. Till next time. Bye bye. Hi guys, here is my finished project using the paper line Authentique Lovestruck, and it was really a challenge for me because I am not used to use these color combinations, but it was a really fun time doing it. So I hope I managed, and I hope I will give it that I give it my touch of view with using papers. And so let's get into, and I made a how you call it, explosion box. Yes, I made for the first time ever an explosion box. So this, let me zoom out a little. Oh, this way a little, not too much. So this is the top, as you can see. And then we go to the side, and I used a little ATC card on it, and on this side I used a sticker. I am obsessed with you in a non-creepy way. Okay, I really love this girl. It's really vintage. And here again I used a vintage ATC card. Never mind, love, I'd rather fall in chocolate. Oh my gosh, I will too. And on this, tell me I'm pretty and buy me chocolate. What's with the chocolate? Okay, and on the bottom I used the same one as on the side, and at the top also. So yeah, this is it, and my explosion box. So let's get inside, and I think I will move this a little further. Yeah, so when you put this out of the way, then ta-da! Okay. Oh, and on the inside I used a little sticker also. Isn't this cute? Isn't this cute? I really like it. So put the lid away, and then we got this. And lots of fun things to watch. But first we go to the inside, and here I also used a little sticker, and it says you make my heart skip a beat. Okay, cool. So let's get into how will I do it. I think first I think each section I will go through with you. Let's zoom in a little. Yeah, this is quite enough. So on the first page I made an extendable pocket, and in here I made 3 cards. And on the back nothing. So this goes in here. So it's just a little fun tag. And on the back I leave it plain, so you can put your photo on. Then on this page I made just a simple pocket with a very nice little vintage tag. And then this flips below, and here I used the green blue one. And on here I used a envelope pocket, and this opens up like this. And in here I made a card, and I used a sticker on it. And on the back it's plain, so you can write on. Easy. There we go. And then this closes. Not so handy with my long nails. But, hello. Yeah, here we go. I really have 2 long nails. I know. It's almost time to get me a new one. Okay, and then this flips to this side, and here I used the beautiful lace and just a simple piece of paper, so it will be pretty much easy going, not too busy. And on this page I made a belly band with a seam binding and a little stopper from a sticker. And in here I made a little booklet, and I decorated with nice wet paper. And then this flips open to this side, and I made 2 little photo frames on this side. And in here a little pocket with a nice tag in this gorgeous pearly pink cardstock. And this goes below, and on here I used again a simple page and a little sticker. Let's see if I go in. Let me see. Yeah, look at this. So nice. And then on the last page I made a zigzag pocket, and on the front I made a little booklet that opens like this. So two sides I leave it plain, so you can put a nice picture on. And on the front I used a sticker. Or no, I used the little card from the 6x6 paper pad. And then in here I used a die. Oh, let me see. Yeah, here is it. I used a die from Crealis.nl. It's the Crea Nestlease XXL labels and tags, and it's the number CLLT11. Yeah, and I used the biggest one, and then the one inside of this one. Okay, so really nice die. And then this is in the middle, and on the last I make a larger tag with some seam binding and a sticker on, and on the back plain. Okay, that's the first section. Let's go to this side, and they're not all the same. This one is also a little expandable pocket with 3 little tags in. I want to show you, they are so adorable. One larger one I used this nice picture, and this one, and I put some brads in, but did not go very well, but it goes okay for now. Then this goes down, and in here a nice pocket, and this goes down. Oh, and here this is a magnetic closure, and then this goes around, this goes to the side. It's a little swing tag, and it says 100 hearts would be too few to carry, all my love for you. Adorable. Then this opens up and it folds out. I hope you can see it. And I did my decoration on the paper so you can put photos in, of course, especially on the squares. It's really like, love, love, love it. This was my first time to give this a fold. Then this flips down again, the wet one with the lace. And then this opens to the right and to the left, and in here I made a little pocket. Betty about you. Cool. Really fun pictures. And again, a nice little sticker and an ATC car. Here I am. What are your other 2 wishes? Okay, then this flips down, and again I made a simple piece page, and again a zigzag tag with a little booklet, and on the back I am yours, and again a nice tag and a larger tag at the back. Okay, let's go to the third one. Okay, at the front again 3 little tags, perfect for nice little pictures or little notes. Okay, then this flips down, again a nice easy tag in it with this one I used, and it was from a AK punch. Yeah, it was. And then I decorated the page on this side. Then again an envelope pocket with a nice tag in. This really goes not very well. Good Lord. Yeah, here we go. Okay, and again on this side the same page with the lace. We love this lace. And then we have another seam binding belly band and a stopper from the sticker and a little booklet, and I match it with the sticker, the stopper. Oh, and then this opens up, and again I made 2 little photo mats, and in here a nice little pocket. Hug me. There you go. And then for the last zigzag page, a nice little booklet and a nice little tag and a bigger tag. My favorite person ever. Cool. Really, the stickers makes it really nice to use. And for the last section, okay, again the little pockets, the expandable pocket with the eeny meeny tags in it. I really like them a lot. And then again a simple tag using the same tags, and here you can write, oh here you can put a nice photo in, and here you write a name on if you like. And then here again a swing tab, you are at the top of my favorite list. And then this again opens up like this, and I put some decoration paper on, and this also closed magnetic, but I thought it was to be an extra way to give this a magnetic closure too. And then flip this to the below, and again my use the lace from Tamra, and this goes to the right and this goes to the left, and in here a pocket. Look at this, so cute, so cute. And then this closes. Use the ATC card from the paper again, and another zigzag tag with a little booklet. Look at this, really cute, so lovable. I think you are swell. Cool. And another tag and a bigger tag. Love to love. Cool. Okay, Okay, so lots of place where you can put little photos in or little presents. Perhaps if you are using this for a gift, you can put a nice little bonbon in it, or yeah, you can put a nice little present in here. Not too big, but you can put something in here. So yeah, this was it, and I really had fun making it. And so yeah, I hope you liked it. So let's put this together again. So and you can see it's really chunky. It really is. Look at this. It's very, very chunky. So, but I love it. Nope, this is the easiest way to do it. Yep, there it is. Everything put together. So yeah, okay, like I said, it was my first time making an explosion box ever, and I really had fun. And my problem is making the pages really too thick. Okay, that's my big issue, but I really think this is adorable how it turns out. So I hope you liked it too. I hope you will follow my tutorial. All papers I used you can find on oh my gosh countrycraftcreations.com, of course. And it's late, so I have to go to sleep, thank you. So yeah, you can find it. I leave the link below so you can find the store easy. And yeah, I wish you all the best and hope you liked it. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you not do it already, and I see you next time with the tutorial. So hope you join me. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.